everyone, this is Cindy of Cricut the Heart, and I am back with some more Destash. It's US only, PayPal only. Email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Information will be in the description box below. This is the 5th time I've made this video. I had to split up my boxes, so I have some other boxes. Be sure to look at my page and you will see them. All right, let's go ahead and get going. I've got This Fall is in the Air Christmas Lodge, never used, brand new. Got these Boy Crazy buttons, Little Man Ephemera, those brads. Hey Girl chipboard, I've got those, never used. Vintage Trinkets by Prima, I used one of those. And I did use some of these Holiday House chipboard. Got those. That. October Afternoon Rubber Charms, brads, Flourish Corners, wood icons, 9 to 5, 8x8 paper pad, whatever those are. Hipster, never used paper pad. Graphic 45, never used paper pad. Konnichiwa, never used. Kissing Booth, never used. Made from Scratch, never used. Hey Girl, never used. 6x6. I have these washi strips, rub-ons, boarding pass, Snow Village. I use some of that. I don't think I used any of this. Check-in collectibles by Kaiser Craft Ephemera, My Girl brads, My Girl buttons, Woodland Park October Afternoon, Boy Crazy brads, Simple Stories, and Sarsaparilla buttons. Okay, so that is box 16, is $35. Shipped. Last box. I can go make myself some coffee. Box 17, $35. Okay, so in this box you get tin pins. You get these Maya Road little ruler doohickeys. You get a bunch of these cards. These were Heidi Swap cards. They also came with those. Poinsettia felt. Christmas tree presents, Marion Bright banner, London Market collage sheets, Hello Fall decorative bows. I did use some of this Marion Bright. This is their little journal pack. I used 4 pieces of that for a project I hope to show you guys soon. These stickers, those charms. This, I used some of that, 6x6. I never used that, Vintage Bliss. Sarsaparilla miscellany, Sarsaparilla journal cards, never used. Bo Bunny, Genevieve, Bo Bunny Fall, Bo Bunny, Marion Bright, I think. The chipboard, these. Pink Paisley, Cottage Farms Ephemera, Noteworthy, rub-ons. Okay, 6x6 paper pad, never used. Of Sweet Life, never used. Of Snap, Color Vibe, Amy Tangerine, never used. Genevieve, never used. Carta Bella, Welcome Home chipboard. Goes with the Our Family 12x12 paper pack. Mad for Plaid for Christmas. I love this. I have 2 of them. Photo Play. And this Gilded Orchid 12x12 48 sheets from Die Cuts with a View, full of foil and glitter. It's gorgeous. I just am never going to use it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Cricut the Heart.